Hey, what's up guys? Now that OneUi 7 is out, it's time to look ahead. In this video, we are diving into everything we know so far about the upcoming OneUi 8 update, which is all set to launch alongside the Android 16. So today in this video, we will talk about the new feature and the eligible devices which will be getting the new OneUi 8 update. Right now, I have this OneUi 7 update with the June 1st, 2025 security patch on my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. OneUi 7 was delayed a lot, but hopefully the OneUi 8 update will be released soon. If we talk about the eligible device list, so from the Sam Mobile we have a tentative device list which include the Galaxy S series with the Galaxy S25 series, S24 series, S23 series, the S22 series and the S21 FE. For the Z series, we have the Z Fold Flip 456. For the A series, we have the Galaxy A53 to A56, A33 to A36, A15 and A16, and some other devices are also included in the device list of the OneUi 8 update. If we talk about the beta version, so the beta version is already out for the Galaxy S25 series. If you have a Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25 series, you can get the beta version from the Samsung Members app. You will have to enroll from the Samsung Members app. Then you can get the update from the software update, then download and install. But keep in mind that the beta version might have some bugs or issues. So if you can handle those bugs or issues, so you can install the beta version of the OneUi 8. Also, if you were facing any battery drain issue with the OneUi 7 update, that is also fixed now. For that, simply update your phone to the latest version. In my case, I have installed the latest June 1st, 2025 security patch. And after installing that, my battery drain issue has been fixed and now I get a 1-day battery. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the latest news regarding the OneUi 8 update, which is upcoming. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.